conditions at 9 in the morning. Don't think I'm working today. I'll see what it looks like later. Hello. Okay, it's 11 a.m. Let me tell you about earlier, and I'll probably post this video before this comes on. I was driving, it was about, I think 8:30 in the morning, I think, 8:30, 9, and I was driving, I was on the phone with my sister-in-law. All of a sudden, out of nowhere, after I passed Route 611 on the highway, snowstorm. I mean, whiteout conditions instantly. So I got off at the next exit and I went home, and it was nothing but whiteout conditions. So I didn't think I would be going out today at all. But now, however, it has stopped and the sun is out, so I'm good. So I'm out here. What I'm doing first, before I work, is I'm going to go to the Common Threads thrift store I told you guys about. And what I'm going to do is see if that stuff is still there and buy it. I could say 25%. Savings is savings. And then after that, I'm going out to work. But I'm on my way there now, and I'll probably take you inside with me and let you guys know what it is. Yeah. So I'm going to get off here, and when I get there, we will get back on. Okay. I forgot to turn you guys on while I was in there. I am sorry you missed out. But I got some of what I wanted for $7.29. I will show you later at the end of this video when I get home, because I got to get something to eat and get out to work. And then Monday, depending how the weather is, I can use 25% off savings, and I'll have way more money, hopefully, by then. I'm going to get the other two things that I want to get if they're still there. So I'm going to get off here and find something to eat real quick and cheap and get out to work. Alrighty, I turned on my app. It's 1 o'clock. I am waiting on orders. I'm scheduled again till 11 today. We will see how that goes. Because it's weather permitting. Is today Thursday or Friday? I don't know what day it is today. So, yeah. Let's go. Nate's Deli, $7.97 for 11 miles. Look, people, you better start tipping higher with this storm weather and everything that we have to go through to get your food to you. All right? Just putting it out there. Have some love. Look at that temp. It's not even 1:30. That's how cold it is. Let's go deliver this food. I don't know for sure if you can see this, but let's see if I can. Now let me try that up against here. Do you see right there? That's a strand of my hair, but look at the curliness it has. Can you see that? It's like, it looks like a spring. That is crazy. That's my strand of my hair. It looks like a coil or a spring. Okay, so it is extremely cold out there. So what I'm going to have to do is when I do have to go and deliver some food, depending, I might have to put this on and the earmuffs and stuff, because that wind can knock you for a loop. I'm going to go find a hot spot. And I'm going to wait, and no matter what, I'm going to have to stay out till 11. Wow, this is so cool. I pull it, and it just coils back up again. Watch. Let's see here. Look at me. Oh my gosh. Alright, so here it is. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to pull it straight. we go. Oh. Oh my goodness. I'm going to, oh, there we are. I'm gonna pull it straight. There it goes again. I don't know if you saw that. I can see it though. All right, let me get off here. I'm being silly. Got an order for Krispy Kreme for $12.97 for 5 miles. So I'm headed over there now. I just happened to drive down, turn down actually, my, back.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto West 149th Street.
The next block over that I already passed was my aunt and uncle's street from back when I was a childhood. She still lives there. My uncle had passed away. All right, I'm going to get off here and pay attention to these roads. Ooh, goodness. It's cold. It's a cold. Okay. It is 2:21 and I am at $20.93. I'm all the way over here in Middleburg Heights, so I'm going to head back out towards Crocker area. But this order paid good, so I'm not complaining about where I'm at because she paid for it. All right, we'll head over. Let you know if I get any more orders, which I sure I am. I just don't know when. Okay. I'll talk to you in a bit. Okay, it is 4:30. I have had my app on. I just left my sister-in-law's house. Probably can't see me real good with this sun. So I'm just waiting on orders, and let's see if I can stay out till 11. I sure hope so. I've got to. I got to get money. So I'll let you know when I get another order. Alrighty, it's almost 5:30 and I got another order for Taco Dwell something on Center Ridge. $12.99 for 5 miles. And it is currently 6 degrees.
At the next light, turn left.
That's 6. Single digit 6. Taco Dell. Let's go get this food. Oh gosh, that air breathing it in, it's cold. Quarter to 6, and it is 5 degrees outside. Alrighty, I dropped off this Jimmy John's. Then I got an order for $5.58 for Taco Bell for 5 miles. I declined it because I need bigger orders. I'm only at $56. It is 6 o'clock, and I have no time to be I am not going to waste my time with this weather and risking falling and getting hurt because it's so icy out for a piddly $5. No. You guys should be thoughtful. If we're coming out here and we're risking it for you, we could stay at home and not work, but please show appreciation that we're out here saving you the trip so you can stay warm in your home, that we're bringing you the food. Give us a little more to tip. You know, let's be generous with the tip, or else don't call. Go out and get your food your damn self. You know, since I turned that $5 order down from Taco Bell, I have not had another order since. I don't know what is going on with people tonight. It's not super busy like it normally would be. Maybe they're out getting ready for the storm tomorrow, panicking. I've only made $56 and that's it. I'm still waiting on orders. I don't know if I'm going to stay out all the way till 11. I think people are more focused on the storm that's coming in, getting prepped for that perhaps. I'm still waiting because I'll only be able to work tomorrow till up to when the snow starts coming in, which it's scheduled to come in at about 7 o'clock, I think. So around that time, or if it comes in earlier, who knows? I called my son. I called my daughter-in-law because I want to get the batteries for the flashlights just in case they have batteries at their house. And yeah, guess I'm gonna head over there now and see about getting the batteries, or maybe I'll just get them tomorrow. I don't know, because I called her and she didn't answer. Oh my goodness. So are you guys all prepared for this storm? I know people down south, ooh, they're gonna really be struggling. They are not used to this. We are used to this. This isn't so bad for us. Sorry, I'm just like, my nail is kind of peeling apart. And you know how when your nail, like, it peels a teeny bit, and if it catches on something, for me, it bugs me to know it. Like, I have to have my nails smooth. I don't like any kind of hang nail or peeling nail. It's gross. My nails used to be so strong. They still are strong, but I don't know what's making them peel right now. I don't have them in water much. I don't know. But this is bugging me. I should carry a clipper in my purse. And I know I don't have one in there. I should carry one in my purse. I'm never prepared for anything else. Let's see here. I'm just sitting here at Starbucks. I went and got me a white mocha, caramel in it or whatever, because it's cold. I just don't want to waste my gas. I'm trying to make my gas stretch. Just waiting on orders. But oh. Well, I know one thing I'm going to be doing when the snow does hit, and if I cannot go out on Sunday, I'm going to clean my house. Or at least the dining room so I can put my glassware up. Oh my goodness. And then I think I told you guys, I don't know if I did, but I ordered some rock salt in the shaker that's pet friendly, because we got the dog. And it won't be here till the beginning of February. What good is that going to do me now? I need it now. So I don't know if they're saying there's a salt shortage, but you know what? I don't believe everything everybody says. You know, because news and stuff, they lie. They really do. They don't always tell the truth. You got everybody in an uproar and panicking and all scared about the storm. So that's what I'm talking about. Like, the news is made to put fear into people, and they don't realize how the news is controlling them, manipulating them, keeping them in fear. Now, common sense, do some research on how to prepare for the storm, and especially in the area you live in. Now, down south, yeah, you guys are not used to this. I would be freaking out too. Yeah. But up here in Ohio, come on guys, we've had this before. We're used to this. This is our normal stuff. So, yeah. I'm sorry. This is bugging me. I got to pee. Ugh. And I know I don't have any nail clippers. Hold on. Alrighty, I picked up the batteries I needed for the flashlights just to be safe. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I mean, I've been almost, gosh, it's been almost an hour already. I haven't got any more orders. Oh. I don't know, guys. I just don't know. It is. Whoop, I'm not doing that right. What do you guys think I should do? Should I stay or should I go now? Well, let's, I don't know if I want to head all the way over there. I'm going to see where the hot spot is. It's like going on 7 o'clock, I think. I cannot believe I have not had any orders. I wonder if people are just freaking out about the storm. They're just out shopping and stocking up, thinking it's like a war going on or something, and it's, I don't know. All right, I don't know if I'm gonna go out anymore. I don't know. What to do? Alrighty, I will let you know what I do. Alrighty, guys, I shut it off. I even got a notification from my Brightspeed internet about this storm, and I don't think I'm going to get any more orders tonight. Everybody's just